The Minnesota Supreme Court hears oral arguments in the case of Mohammed Noor, the former Minneapolis police officer who was convicted in the death of an Australian woman who called 911 to report a possible sexual assault. Noor was convicted by a jury in the killing of Justine Damond back in 2017. Noor said he heard a loud bang when responding, which startled him and his partner. He then reached across his partner from the passenger seat and shot through the driver's side window to protect his partner's life. He was convicted of third-degree murder, but his attorneys argue a lower court made a mistake in upholding his conviction.
We now know that Mr. Noor made a tragic split-second mistake. But if there is to be any meaningful difference between murder and manslaughter, that mistake is not sufficient to sustain Mr. Noor's conviction.
Noor was sentenced to 12.5 years in prison. The court's decision could have an impact on the George Floyd case, as it could cover interpretation of state law that was at the center of that trial.